Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device and app account so you restore the correct data. Open Settings and go straight to Backup or Accounts. Make sure you're signed in. If you have a cloud backup, enable Wi-Fi and verify the latest backup date. For local backups, connect via USB or open your file manager and locate the app folder. Once done, prepare any passwords and note any device-specific restoration options before you proceed to reinstall the app. You now reinstall the app from the official store or package to avoid compatibility issues. After installation, open the app and accept prompts. When offered, choose Restore from Backup to pull cloud data automatically. If the app requires manual restore, stop the app, copy your backup files into the app's data folder, then restart the app. Make sure permissions for storage and account access are granted so data can migrate. If a version mismatch appears, update the app or use the matching backup version before continuing. You finish by verifying the app's content. Check settings, account sync, and core data like messages or files. If something is missing, rerun the restore routine or select a different backup point. Sometimes partial restores need a second pass. Make sure the app has required permissions and background sync is enabled. If errors persist, update the operating system, clear the app cache, or uninstall and reinstall. Then attempt restore again. This often resolves corruption or permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.